Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here. I'm just going to show you the new Merriway unit, which is now Android 13. Been waiting for this one to come out for quite a while. It is a lovely unit. It's been designed on the graphical interface on the newer Range Rovers 2023 today, so I'll show you that in a moment. So obviously this is for screens in the Evoque. We do have them also for the Sport, the Vogue, Discovery Sport, from the same factory, Jaguars and all that type of stuff, so just check on our website anyway. So as you can see, this is for the old BOSCH entertainment system which you have on here. This is all fully operational with the touchscreen as you would normally expect. This is all these buttons now here are all physical buttons. Oh sorry, the physical buttons have gone and they're all now become touchscreen. Now there's many variations of these buttons down the side here. Now if you're familiar or you're not too familiar with the products, you used to tend to have a back-end menu and you used to be able to change the button configuration to relate to the car's original buttons. So obviously the software does change in the back-end settings, which I'll bring you another video to this, which will be on our YouTube channel, but I'll just give you a little rundown of the system today. So as you can see, these buttons down here is what you would normally expect, and obviously if you want to go into the Android side, just simply hold that one down there. If you just go to the home page, as you can see, now there is one little bug which I can see for now at the moment, which I'm going to report back to the factory. It may even be something that they think that it's fine, but me personally, I think that should say online map there, but that's the only little drawback I can see. It is a new system. It'll be easy for the factories to change if it's meant to say online. It might be something that they know more than I do in terms of ONLIE. They might have got it right, but as I say, that's something I've just come across here. As you can see, this design here, which is all based on the original cars. If you were to go and buy a brand new Range Rover, this is how they are. Well, they have the 13.4 inch screens with the big massive ones. We do sell them on the website for some particular cars and Range Rover, Land Rovers. Again, look at the website, but as you can see, it's lovely, this interface here. You can see all these are obviously just relatable towards what you get on the system, which I'll go through in a moment. You can change this skin. You can go back to the old style. So if you was familiar with the 2018 222 car, which has got the old interface, which is obviously tends not to have this sort of image in the background, you can go back to that just by simply changing the settings, which again I'll show you in another video, but I'll just go through the run through of this here. Okay, so as you see, it's nice, quick and responsive. Comes with an 8-core processor, 464 gig is RAM as standard. You can increase to the 6 and 128 for a little bit extra cost, but I'm just going to go through a little rundown, show you what this has here. So obviously this is your navigation. You can put any maps of choice on here. It's got the Google Maps on it pre-installed anyway, but you can go, if you want to go down a route of putting Waze, Copilot, TomTom, Sigic, you can do that also. Let's go back to the home page. A second, there, sorry. Home page. This one's obviously for if you want to play your music through a MP3 player, USB pen should I say. You can do that through there. As you can see, this has got one pre-programmed which is into the firmware just as a demo. It does work with the steering wheel controls, as you can see me doing that there. You can't see me doing it in the background, should I say. So it does work with that too. Let's have a little look. So I think this takes you back to the original. There you go, that one there. And let's go back through to here. There's your phone book. That shows you your interface for your phone. Also you've got dashboards, obviously assume this is relatable towards me putting the foot down on the revs now. Obviously you've got your MPH there too. And also this is your CarPlay and Android Auto. I haven't connected it up to CarPlay today or Android Auto. Yeah, I'm sure you're all familiar with it anyway. If you do want to see a video, again, just check any other video of ours, because we normally show you what the CarPlay looks like in there anyway, but pretty standard in this industry. Let's go back to the applications here. So this is where all your apps and your back-end settings go in. So obviously you've got the likes of the Play Store, YouTube, Google Maps, everything goes onto the back end here. You also got your DSP sound processor center, so obviously you've got a built-in amp to work with the car's system one. Let's have a little look, go back button there. Okay, music settings, voice search, video. Don't know what that one is, I've never seen that before, so might be an update, way to update the firmware. What's that one? Okay, so obviously again looks like, let's have a look at this. Not seen this before. Install. I think what possibly this one is basically if you want to upload any third-party APKs onto the system, you can put them on USB pen. So people who want IPTV on there, if you're familiar with that, then you can download like the downloader app from some websites called apkmirror.com or apk. What's that? The other one is called, to be honest with you. So I don't know. I'm not really playing around with that one. So I assume you can install apps from there. Let's have a little look. This is your CarPlay one. Oh, here you go. There's the Netflix that's just popped up in there. It is an online app. You can use a SIM card, data only. So if you want to keep it separate to your hotspot on your phone to give it an internet access, there is a little SIM card input at the back of the screen, which is obviously what we've put in today. Prior to that, so you will need to do that during the install, or alternatively you can link it to hotspot on your phone. Let's have a little look, see what else is on here. I think these are all just shortcuts now, so basically take you to there. So okay, let's have a little look. Exit music, background. Okay, let's leave that in the background. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it, guys. So as I say, if you got any questions, let's have a look at that one there. That's the DSP sound processor in it. So if you got any questions, there's the back end settings. If you want to change the language and stuff like that, and preset your navigation and your music apps and stuff. So that's a good little feature there, the music app set. So that, I would say, if you was to put another software on there for like say another music type of format file or WhatsApp or whatever, I suppose you can link that to the home page. So it saves you having to go into the apps and then coming back out and stuff like that. So it's a nice little feature. Again, with the video app here, let's have a little look. Display, change your brightness and styles and stuff. Sound, obviously it allows you to change your sound settings on there for certain features of the unit. Version info, and that one at the end there is a factory reset. Okay guys, hope this is it. You like the video. Any questions, give us a shout. And we'll put the link down in the description down below with all our contact details. And have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.